Hello, excuse me, sir. Let me introduce myself. My name is Firda Aisyah Ika Prasetyo, NIM 229048 from class A. Here, I will explain my final semester assessment about traditional clothes Lampung. About me, topic first is Lampung traditional clothing background. Lampung is a province at the southern tip of the island Sumatra, facing the island of Java, which is separated by Sunda Strait, flanked by the Indian Sea and the Java Sea. To the west, it stretches Bukit Barisan, while to the east stretches a wide fertile plain crossed by large river. In the southern part, there is Lampung Bay, Teluk Watermelon, and Mount Krakatoa. As a place located at the end of the island Sumatra, Lampung are the gateways that connect the island Sumatra and the island of Java. The history of the origin of the Lampung tribe comes from the Scala-Bright Kingdom, namely a kingdom located on the Belalau Plains south of Lake Ranau, which administratively is now in West Lampung Regency. From land, this broad scale is where the Lampung people spreads to every corner by following the flow of the rivers, namely the Komering River and the Tulang Bawang River, along with its tributaries, thus covering the plains of Lampung and Palembang as well as the coast Banten. In general, the Lampung traditional community consists of two cultures, namely people Lampung is characterized by Pepadun or inland and Saibatin, coastland. Next, there are two traditional clothes in Lampung. One, traditional clothes Pepadun. Lampung Pepadun traditional clothing is traditional clothing worn by Lampung people who live in highland areas such as Kota Bumi, Tulang Bawang, Wai Kanan, and Wai Seputih. Lampung Pepadun traditional clothing is dominated by white, which symbolizes purity and cleanliness. 2. Traditional clothes Saibatin. The Saibatin tribe can be interpreted as a rule of king. Traditional communities live in coastal areas such as Jabung, Wai Jepara, Padang Cermin, Cukuh Balak, Tanah Parang, Kota Agung, Pesisir Krui, Liwah, and so on. The Lampung Saibatin traditional dress is a characteristic color, namely bright red for both the groom and the bride. And next, Pepadun woman. For the bride, this traditional clothing consists of a white kebaya with gold embroidery, white filter cloth with a tumpal or tiangar motif, a gold belt or pepet, and white or gold slippers. As a head covering, the bride wears a sigil of Tristan shapes, crowned with 5 curves. This figure is called sikok, then lined with symbolism the 5 elements of life. And as example picture in here. Next, Pepadun man. From the groom, this traditional attire consists of a white long-sleeve shirt with a white jacket covered in gold on the front. At the bottom, he wears white trouser and a gold tumpal sarong with a triangular motif. As a headband, a kika or gold skull cap is worn. The picture in the here. And next, Saibatin woman. Lampung Saibatin traditional clothing for women is characterized by red and gold color, namely advanced kawaii clothing made of velvet with floral motif, and the shape is like a slim kebaya that wraps around the body with a length that stretches above the knees. And the shirt use filter cloth wrapped around it with a special motif made of gold and silver thread. The braids had attributes were a serrat cigar consisting of 7 cords with a turf filter pressing decoration located on the back of the cigar's forehead. Melur flowers and small garu between the bones at the back of the cigar. Next, Saibatin men. The traditional Saibatin clothing worn by men is red and covered with a jacket made of velvet with floral motif of saw flowers, slippers of bamboo shoot. Then wear long trousers to match your clothes and complete with a typical Lampung tumpal sarong. Tumpal is the name of the motif on the back in the form of lines. This tumpal sarong is worn outside the trouser by wrapping it around the waist to knee length. The example picture in the here. Next, Lampung traditional clothing, accessories, and their meanings. 1. Sigar. Sigar is a crown made of brass and worn by women. Sigar from other region, the sigar is shaped like a horn with decorating resembling a puya inline with dots. The sigar has a meaning Jurainin, which are the first 9 tribes that occupied Lampung. There is also another meaning, namely the 9 large rivers that flow through Lampung, namely Wai Semangka, Wai Sekampung, Wai Seputih, Wai Pengubuan, Wai Abung Sarem, Wai Sungkai, Wai Kanan, Wai Tulang Bawang, and Wai Mesuci. 2. Kopiah emas. This gold skull cap is worn by men. The skull cap with a rounded upward shape and sharp edges at the tip is made of brass, no less luxurious than the cigar. The skull cap is decorated with flower gardens, which give a luxurious and beautiful impression. Next, Bulan Tumenggal. This ornament, which resembles a horn without a motif and is made of brass, is worn around the neck, hanging below the chest and over a sesapur cloth. The Tumenggal moon is interpreted as a moon at full moon. When worn, it will illuminate the surrounding nature with shade and calm. Next, Seruja Bulan. 1, 2, 3 small flower-shaped crowns made of brass are mounted of the cigar. Seraja Bulan has the meaning that whoever wears it in custom or family has a high position like the moon. Next, Buah Jakun. Cukup fruit, a long necklace made of streaks of flower that come from small fruits decoration on clothes. This accessory is worn by men in a circle from the shoulders to the stomach to the back with small fruit decoration on the clothes. This accessory has the meaning of being a means of repelling evil from people who do evil things. Next, Bebe. Bebe is embroidered with floral motif from fine fabric with holes on the edge. Bebe is worn on the shoulder with a meaning of protecting the wearer from all disease. Kelangkanu. This bracelet is worn by both men and women on the right arm and in round and large than ordinary bracelet made of brass. This accessory has the meaning of unifying the family so that the family does not get separate. Bulu Serdadi and Pending. This bird-shaped accessory has the meaning of binding or perfecting the marriage bond. The serati for itself is made of velvet gold coverage in red gold and combined with a hanging belt. Kembang melati or kembang melur. Jasmine flower or melur flower is a decoration in the form of jasmine or melur flower that is found in the hair on the top of the head. These flowers not only add visually beauty but also have symbolic meaning in Lampung traditional. Next, rambut ringgit. The trinket money with a picture of the Queen of the Netherlands thrown together with safety pins and clothes hung around the filter cloth at the bottom of the bride dress or around the sesapur. Buah mangkus, round shaped like a game made of brass, ornate and chained, usually held by the bride of groom. Garu, there are anklets that are often decorated with gold or silver ornaments. Apart from being a decoration, garu also has symbolic value in Lampung culture, perhaps as a symbol of status of elegance. Gelang burung, this bracelet from worn under the shoulder is made of brass in the shape of the winged spirit. This bracelet is worn on the right or left and is usually worn by men and women. The meaning of the bracelet is freedom. And the last keris. The keris itself is a traditional weapon with forged iron with a winding, a pointed tip and curved handle and made of breastplate. And the last topic, fashion of Lampung traditional clothes. 1. Cultural identity. Lampung traditional clothing is one of the unique cultural identity of the Lampung people. 2. Culture symbol. This traditional clothing is used at various traditional events such as wedding, traditional ceremonies, and traditional dance performance. 3. Aesthetic function. Lampung traditional clothing has its own beauty and unique use that reflects the aesthetic values of the Lampung people. And the last, social function. As a means to strengthen relation between members of Lampung society. That's all for my presentation. Thank you.